Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley, and this is video number 1 in my 10 steps to prioritize how you save. And in this video, I want to talk about your 401k. So if you have a 401k available to you through work and there's an employer match, this is step number 1. Ensure that you're doing at least whatever that match is in the 401k. So when we talk about there is no free lunch, this is the closest thing to it. If your employer is saying, hey, if you put in, let's call it 3%, we're gonna match that 3% on top of whatever you do. And this is different. Every company has a different matching policy. It might be the first 3%, it might be the first 6%, or it might be some combination of they'll do 3% and then 50% of the next 3%. Whatever it is, ensure that you sit down, figure out the math, and then ensure that you're doing that with every paycheck. Because that's free money that you're leaving on the table if you don't take advantage of the employer match in your 401k. The other thing that I want to talk about when it comes to your 401k, and especially when it comes to the employer match, ensure that you know the vesting schedule. And the vesting schedule is simply, hey, we as the employer are gonna match, like I said, maybe we'll do 3%. But to get that free employer match, you've got to stick around with the company for 5 years. Or it could be a year, or it could be 2 years. The vesting schedule is just like the match. It's different for every company, but it's really important that you figure out and you know how it works so that, maybe if they have a 5-year vesting schedule and all of a sudden you get this amazing job opportunity 4 years and 11 months into your job, well, it might make sense to stick around for a few more weeks just to make sure that you get the full match that you've been anticipating on getting for the entire time you've been there. So again, step number 1 on prioritizing your savings, ensure that you're getting the employer match in your 401k. Again, this is video number 1 on a 10-part series on how to prioritize your savings. Video number 2 is coming up next. If you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.